What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. This is a different type of video today. It has nothing to do with gardening or bread making. This is one of those promised home repair type videos. So if this isn't your cup of tea, I appreciate you watching. For those people who are on the fence about buying this particular product, this Bauer rotary hammer kit, I couldn't find videos just like this on YouTube where it showed specifically someone trying to chip out to repair a pipe under a house slab. They did things with bricks and things outside, but I wanted to do see something specifically to my needs of breaking up concrete. This is probably 45, 47, 50-year-old concrete, so it's very hard. And I went into this purchase not thinking that this is a jackhammer or some sort of heavy concrete busting piece of equipment. In fact, most of what I've done was by hand. I did do a little testing with this, but this is the Bauer. This is from Harbor Freight Tools, model 1641E-B. It's a 3-in-1 kit. It does hammer only, it does hammer drill, and it just does drilling. This is basically, in my thought, designed to drill through concrete. I can drill through lumber and that type of thing if you get the proper bits. It's an SDS type connection. It's not SDS Plus or Max, 10 amp. Saw a lot of good reviews about it, and so I just want to show y'all real quickly what it does. Okay, I got my mask on, got my gloves on, my hearing protection, and I'm just going to show y'all what it does. I'm not trying to sell y'all to buy it or not buy it. I'm just showing y'all something to do, just to look at in case you're interested in wanting to buy a similar product. They say to start off with the pointed bit first to break down a lot of this concrete. I find that it's a little bit difficult sometimes with so much aggregate in the concrete that the point wants to roll off of it. So I've got this 3/4 inch bit right here. They came with the kit. Didn't come with this kit, it was a separate kit. So we'll just change that out real quick and show you what it does. It's a lot better trying to do it this way than by hand. Okay, let's say you have, like I do here, a 1 inch thick bed of mortar and then tile on top. I believe this is ceramic tile. And I don't know why they did this back in the 70s, but it's about 1 inch thick, 7/8 of an inch thick mortar bed on top of the concrete. This is a concrete slab. This does exceptionally well with that, and I'll show you how it does. I'm using a pointed tip. With this type of tool, you're not trying to take out giant chunks of it. This is not a jackhammer, so you're not going to get big chunks out. You want to chip at it. This piece here, as you see, it takes 1-2 inch pieces at a time. All depends on what you've got, but that's it. My initial impression so far is that it's a pretty good rotary hammer. We'll see over time of the longevity of it. I caught it on a sale, and with coupon I also got the kit. The chisel set, and to rent one of these, which I've done before, something similar to this, it cost me, I believe, 40-50 bucks for like a day, or maybe 4 hours. I believe it was a day, like 50 bucks. This one here, if I get to do 2 projects with this, it's paid for itself. So if it dies after that, so what? I wouldn't want it to die, but I did get the warranty just in case. So this is the Bauer 3-in-1 rotary hammer kit. And from Harbor Freight Tools. Hooky dokes. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember to what? No, I don't have an next line yet, so see you later, everybody.